In this video, we present ToneWars, an effective mobile learning game for Chinese as a second language learners. ToneWars is highly scalable and engaging by enabling language learners to compete directly with native speakers in both synchronous and asynchronous gameplay. Tones are pitch inflections that accompany spoken syllables. When pronouncing characters, they are crucial to convey proper meaning. For example, ma could mean horse or mother, depending on the tone spoken. With ToneWars, students build knowledge of which tones correspond to certain characters. Phrases drop into their screen and stack to the top. By slashing phrases with the tones of each character, players clear their stack and earn points. ToneWars provides 3 features for effective learning. First, players control the game through touch and voice. In classrooms, some students trace tones as they pronounce characters. Similarly, in ToneWars, players draw shapes of tones of characters. They can also read them out loud to practice tone pronunciation. Second, the game joins learners with native speakers. The 2 players compete for a higher score. Learners gain confidence through victory, and the game strengthens learner attacks when they are behind to give them a fair chance to keep fighting. Third, ToneWars models both language skills and interaction patterns of native speakers for offline competition. The key interaction patterns are recorded along with the corresponding timestamps, including tapping to select a phrase, slashing a gesture to match, pressing the attack button, and so on. Learners will be able to play against the pre-recorded experts at any time, regardless of native speaker availability. Let's see ToneWars in action. Claire is a first-year, second language learner of Mandarin. On a study break, she finds ToneWars, a game for practicing tones for phrases she learned in class. After connecting to a native speaker, she slashes Chinese phrases with the shapes of tones of the characters. As she does this, she keeps her screen from overflowing. With each match, Claire saves up ammo. By tapping a button, she drops blocks to clutter the stack of her opponent. Her score tells her when she is matching tones more successfully than the native speaker, which motivates her to continue playing. In the future, Claire will be able to compete even if disconnected from a network. Playing against a pre-recorded native speaker, she will experience engagement and personal satisfaction in her success, just like before. In conclusion, ToneWars is an educational game that joins second language learners with native speakers to practice Chinese tones. ToneWars helps players buff up on their knowledge of tones while they engage in collaboration with native speakers.